My rooster has an attitude all of a sudden. Spring fever. Yesterday, he attacked this food bucket. Luckily, it was between my body and him. So I submitted him, and we had a much better day. But then this morning, he came at me again. So I'm gonna try to dominate him again. He's feeling feisty with the ladies. See if I can get it on camera. I got my safety gloves and my catching net. I'm gonna go in with some food. Let's see how this goes.
So he was not being very aggressive on this day. And after sitting here in a power squat for a while, try to see if I can get him. I don't want to challenge him because I'm trying to remove this aggression from him, not encourage it. And then a bird flies by, but it's just a raven, luckily, and everyone runs under the tree, and I can grab him. Once I get him untangled from the net here, he immediately starts biting me. That's what the safety gloves are for, and hang on tight. He is not going to like this, but I get him down on the ground, just get my legs on the side of him, so it kind of feels like I'm sitting on him, but I'm not putting my full weight on him. Through the bites, I can grab his neck and push his neck down to the ground, free my other hand. That's what he does when he's dominating the ladies, so we're going to do that to him. Just kind of breathing on him, touching him, checking his eyes, see how calm he's acting. Trying to see if he's relaxing. This bird flew by and spooked him a little bit, but he's not totally relaxed, so I don't want to let him go. But then this big mama comes over, and I'm trying to be the dominant one here, so I can't let her intervene while I've got him down like that. I might mess up their pecking order. These birds start fighting, so that's my cue. I gotta let him go. And it's nice and relaxed here, I can tell. I'm not holding him at all. I'm just keeping my hands there till I'm safe distance, safe enough that he won't kick me in the face if he's feeling like it, but he's not feeling like it. He's submitted there. So that was pretty good. He has no interest in me. That's what you want to see. He's not feeling challenged by me. He's feeling dominated by me. Order has been restored.
All right, that went pretty good. Lesson in dominance never hurts. I can feel comfortable to be in here right now. This morning, after he charged me, I couldn't even come to put the tripod in here to film the earlier part of this. I had to stick the tripod over the fence, and he was trying to get the tripod. He's literally down here getting aggro with. So we definitely, it was a worthy activity. He's retreating under the tree. He's not even trying to come near me. And I can feel a lot more comfortable in here again. So we should be good. Maybe just for the sake of making sure he knows who's boss, I'll do it one more time tomorrow. We did recently rehome. He had a partner co-rooster for a while, but if you know, you know, we had to separate them. So he is recently independent again, and I think probably testing his hierarchy level. So maybe just one more time to remind him I'm the top chicken around here. But it should be easier tomorrow. He was already much less aggressive right now. So hopefully that's all we need, and he won't be a mean boy. He'll just be a good boy. Right, Joaquin?